Hello everyone, myself Chansi, currently pursuing education in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I am a computer science student of 8th semester. Currently I am going to explaining about the concept of SAN technology. SAN is nothing but storage area network. Storage area network technology is a specialized network architecture designed to facilitate high-speed data transfer and storage consolidation in enterprise environment. SAN are dedicated networks that connect storage devices such as disk arrays or tape libraries to servers, enabling them to access and share storage resources efficiently. The main purpose of the SAN technology is SAN are primarily used to enhance storage management by centralizing storage resources and providing high-speed access to data. They are ideal for large-scale storage environment where data availability, scalability, and performance are critical. The main architecture of SAN is typically consists of three main components. One is host and server, where these are the systems that require access to storage resources. They are connected to the SAN via host bus adapters or converged network adapters. The second one is storage devices. SAN centralized storage resources such as disk arrays, tape libraries, or even solid state drivers. These devices are connected to the SAN through storage controllers. And the next fabric of SAN technology is the fabric is the network infrastructure that interconnects host and storage devices. It compromises switches, routers, and cables that facilitates data transfer between the host and the storage. And the main protocols of SAN is uses various protocols for communication and data transfer. The common protocols which include are fiber channel. The fiber channel is the high-speed networking technology which is designed specially for storage application. It offers low latency, high bandwidth connectivity for SAN environment. And the second one is ISCSI, Internet Small Computer System Interface. ISCSI enables SCSI commands to be transmitted over IP networks, which allowing the SAN network connectivity over existing Ethernet infrastructure. And next one is fiber channel over the Ethernet, ECOE encapsulates fiber channel frames into Ethernet frames. It also enables the convergence of storage and the data networks. And let us know the benefits of SAN technology. One of the most important benefit is scalability. SAN can scale easily to accommodate growing storage need by adding more storage devices or expanding the network infrastructure. And it is also good at the performance, where the SAN provides high speed, low latency access to storage resources, enhancing application performance and responsiveness. And the next most important characteristic is reliability, where the SAN offers features like redundancy, failover mechanisms, and data replication to ensure data availability and integrity. And the next one is centralized management, where the SAN simplifies storage management tasks such as provisioning, monitoring, and troubleshooting through centralized management software. And the use cases of SAN technology are enterprise data centers. SAN are commonly deployed in large data centers to consolidate storage resources and provide centralized data management. And the next one is database applications. SANs are well suited for database servers requiring high performance storage access and reliability. And the next is virtualized environments. SAN supports virtualization technology by providing shared storage for virtual machines and enabling features like via migration and high availability. And the main architecture of SAN technology includes the SAN, which means Storage Area Network. It uses a dedicated network to connect storage devices such as disk arrays or tape libraries to servers. As we have studied before, we are having idea on architecture of it. This network is typically based on fiber channel or ISCSI protocols. And the second most important thing in the architecture of storage area network is DAS. Storage devices are directly attached to individual servers or workstations. This storage is not shared among the multiple server. It includes only a single server or an individual server. And the next one is NAS. These storage devices are connected to the local area network, which means LAN, and the file level data is accessed over the network using protocols like NFS, Network File System, or SMB, Server Message Block. And the next is access method we used in the SAN. SAN provides block level access to storage devices, allowing the servers to access and manage the storage as if it directly attached to the server, like it works when it directly attached to the server. DAS also provides the block level access, but the storage is dedicated to the individual server to which it is attached. Where the NAS provides the file level access, it allows the users and applications to access file stored on the NAS device over the network. And let us go to the next characteristics of SAN, that is scalability. SAN were typically designed for high scalability, allowing multiple servers to access shared storage resources. SAN can be scaled up by adding additional storage arrays, or it may be scaled by using the switches also. Whereas the DAS is a limited scalability, as each server is limited to the storage directly attached to it, which means it only works on the direct connection of the server, whereas the NAS offers moderate scalability, as NAS devices can be scaled up by adding additional storage capacity, but they may have limitations in terms of performance and scalability compared to SAN. The next is management. The management of SAN, DAS and NAS. Whereas SAN is a centralized management is a common feature, allowing administrators to manage storage resources from a single interface. It also includes tasks such as provisioning storage, configuring access control, and monitoring performance. Whereas a DAS management is typically decentralized, with each server managing its own directly attached storage. As we have studied or we made comparison for the before characteristics, DAS only works for the direct connection, whereas the NAS management is a centralized to some extent, as NAS device often include management interfaces for tasks such as user authentication, access control, and storage provisioning. And next, when we compare the performance of storage area network with the others, the SAN can offer high performance, especially for applications requiring low latency and high throughput. It also includes the high scalability, high available also, due to the dedicated storage network and block level access, where DAS is performance depends on specific storage devices and interfaces used, but DAS can provide good performance for individual server, whereas the NAS performance can be more variable, which means the NAS is completely different from the SAN as well as the DAS, as it depends on factors such as network bandwidth, file system overhead, and performance characteristics of the NAS devices. Thank you.